Did you know that chameleons can see in two directions at once? Salamander. Chameleons are truly fascinating creatures. They have independently rotating eyes, allowing them to look forward with one eye and backward with the other simultaneously. This unique ability helps them spot predators and prey from almost 360 degrees. Another amazing fact is their color-changing skill. Contrary to popular belief, chameleons don't just change colors to blend in with their surroundings. They also use it to communicate, regulate body temperature, and express emotions like stress or aggression. Moreover, their long, sticky tongues are like biological slingshots. A chameleon can shoot its tongue out at a speed of 13 miles per hour, catching prey from a distance even longer than its own body. Chameleons truly remind us of nature's incredible creativity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Take care and keep exploring.